How to buy infinity price liquidity rocket token. So this token came under the symbol of IPLR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in this online section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token that is from here, opening funds mind for that. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token that is here and click on your token. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, click on pricing here. Now click on provider and select your provider as a Jupiter and click on apply. Go back and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy IPLR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.